Guys, matutulog na ako. Wag na kayo mag-effort sa PK. Look at your teacher. I'm ready to sleep. Doon, syempre sa buhay. Boy ko yung Christopher. Nigil ka dyan.
Ready ka na, Beo.
Saan? Ay, naku.
Mag-sleep.
Naku, tumigil kayo si Katie. Uy, walang kasama doon. Diba guys? So look at me. I'm so ready to sleep. Pero sa bahay ha. Wala lang kaming signal. You know naman may signal. Diba? Kanina pa tayo na problema. Signal. Diba? Kanina pa tayo na problema. Signal. Diba? Kanina pa tayo na problema. Chris,
Kakauwi ko lang. Dumiretso ako sa'yo. Wala akong nagawa.
oh.
Ready ka na naman.
5 points!
Chris! Where's your phone holder? Nasaan yung isang holder mo, Chris? Okay na to?
I'm gonna get it to you right now.
Parang pangat tong ilaw na to, oh.
The blue?
Eto.
Gusto mag-
Or okay lang. Tingnan mo nga. Pangit. Madilim naman, no? Yan na lang.
I'll get you a light.
So, hello mga my loves. Hello. Nakulobat na ako.
Hindi na ako.
Oo nga, no. I'm so ready sa PK ko. Ano ba kasi outfit doon? Kailangan ba naka-dress? Nakakatamad kasi mag-ayos, guys. Nagpa-massage kasi ako, di ba? Ang sakit ng katawan ko. So, nagkaroon ng oil yung aking hair. Masakit sa mata yung ilaw? So, nagkaroon ng... oil ang aking buhok. Kaya tinali ko na lang. Or else, kailangan ko pang oil ang aking buhok. Kaya tinali ko na lang. Or else, kailangan ko pang too much effort. So, this is the best effort. Sabi. Ayan. Malabo pa din. Oh. Oh. Ayan na, guys. Miss B, ano daw? Brazilian dance? Naku, di ko alam yung Brazilian dance, guys. Yung ganun. I can't. Paras kaliwa yung paa natin. Sobrang lag pa din.
Lag pa?
Hindi, wala. Hi, Chembate. Hi, Chembate. Mama Liz, lovely. Chembate, thank you so much. Wow, ang dami nating ano ngayon na viewers. 5, ilan tayo ngayon guys? 5, 6. So, kararating lang nila Mr. B sa bahay kasama si Katie. Naiwan namin siya kasi nagpapamassage siya. Invite na ako. OMG, life is beautiful. Thank you. Hi, salamat. Hi, Mika, RDD. So, ano bang mangyayari sa PK, guys? First time natin makikipag-PK sa hindi natin knows.
Ay, replace yung hard drive mo din pala po.
Delay? Hi, Yumi. Yumi Clors?
Okay?
Taro, Boba, Binibining Clara. Manggera?
Ha?
Manggera?
Yes.
Ito ba, check? This one.
Wow, thank you, Retrobite.
Retrograde?
Retrobite. Retrobite.
This one.
OMG! Hi, Ali. Ang cute naman nun. Taroboba. Saan mo lalagay yan, Mr. B?
Let's find out.
Thank you, Jenna. Bernadette. Queenie, kay Melanie. Thank you so much.
Si Berna.
Bernaby. Sembate! Wow, may mga nag-gift. Hala, sana mamaya na kayo mag-gift. Baka mamaya wala nang gift.
I need the power supply.
Oh! Andiyan ka na pala, Mima.
Bago na
Si Mima nandito.
sa akin, dami mo raw viewers na daw.
Ano, Mi?
Diyos ko, hirap ka naman kabugin.
Bakit, Mi?
Mga follower ko dito sa oh. Sabi ko, ako nagpasok sa'yo dito, tapos tayo pa pinagkalaban, no? Wala naman pala mawawala, either win or lose eh. Pang ano daw to eh, pang parang engagement daw, dagdag.
Hey po.
Sabi ko, na lang ako
Bawal kumain?
wala akong kumakundi ng ano. Kumain na tayo.
Okay.
Ang battle daw.
Yes. Pwede kumanta? Kumanta! Mr. B, pwede kumanta?
Pwede? Pwede?
Kaya
Yes.
sa I walk.
Tingnan mo nga si Mima, naka-halter. Yung sando mo parang naging halter pag ganun. Ayun.
Ito ko yung breast ko. Ang ganda naman ni Miss Katrina. O, ganda-ganda mo raw, Mi.
Uy, wala yon guys. Thank you so much.
Sabog.
Si Katrina kasi, guys. Ay ko yan. Tapos siya yung nagagap.
Follow back na ako daw. Paano ko siya ifa-follow?
Tulong.
Paano? Saan sa tinasay? I don't know, guys.
Ano yung
Ha?
Maglipit?
nasaan yung pangalan?
I-clear mo natin sa
Di ko naman makita Invite ko. Hindi nga ako marunong mag-invite, guys. Paano?
Best. Yes. Ito, tingnan lang yan bukas.
Sino? Mas parang bang desk para sa iyo. Siyempre, greetings na rin yan from KKK family. Ayan.
Sabi ni Nita, ano daw? O, follow back mo daw siya. Paano nga? Hindi nga ako marunong mag-follow back, guys. Hindi kasi ako masyadong nag-block up. I really don't know.
Sino yung follow test?
Matusin.
Ano daw? Nana ko? Nana ko ba?
Click mo lang yung profile.
Wala nga wala dyan, wala.
Kumusta naman ng TikTok, girl?
Diba? Ano ba to? Parang lola naman ako dito.
Pero lang, ma.
Mas matanda
Ako
ka
nga
naman sa akin.
nag-ibang dito eh.
Mas matanda ka nga naman sa akin, Mi.
Tanggap ko naman yun, Mi.
Maganda ka naman. Ano ka naman? Bagets pa. Hindi ko po makita yung name ni Nana ko.
Ano po dito sa
Para pindutin ko. Oh.
third stage?
Pipindutin mo siya.
Hindi ko nga,
Pag mag-gifters mo.
kung nandito siya para i-follow ko, pero di ko nga makita yung name po.
Lalabas ka, nakalagay yung profile niya, tapos follow back ka lang.
Okay, pero wala po kasi ako nakikita pa.
My God, punta ko sa mouth school, kain ako ng kain. Ayun, sinanak ko. Naku, nag-invite ko sa atin.
Asan ba?
Nag-accept na ako.
Paano kanya in-invite? Paano kanya in-invite?
Hello po, Miss
Ah!
Katrina.
Hi! Ay,
Hi,
ayun pala siya.
Robert.
Okay, follow natin. Yun.
Hi!
Friends na.
Hello po, good evening.
Hi, nanako.
Yes.
Ang dami mo namang kiss.
Katrina ha, kasi
Filter po siya, Miss Katrina.
itong Philippines kay Kat. Eh ngayon, ayaw niya una. Sinuwan mo si...
Oh, shy kasi ako, shy
Mga
ako.
natin,
Shy ako,
kasi-
guys.
Diba?
Ako din, mahihain din ako.
O, diba? Ba't tayo napunta dito? Shy pa naman tayong lahat. Tingnan na ako pala, shy din pa. Na daw siya.
Binibilis ako kumain kasi ano na, 9 minutes na lang bago ako kumain.
Uy, lagi si Wilbert ay, lagi si Wilbert.
Dala mo siya? Eto. Uy.
Parang getting to know muna, Mi. Mi? Nana.
Ay, hello, Sir Chris. Hello.
Chris, nag-send ako sa'yo ng campaign.
Na?
Chris, si Chris,
Nag-send-
sabihin mo sabihin mo kay Chris, yung campaign. Di ba, wala siya.
Ayan, nag-send daw siya sa'yo, Chris.
Isa nga, Chris. Kuya Chris na Kuya Chris.
Saan na yung partner mo, Mima? Saan na si Kuya Chris? Ay, nawala na po siya. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So, pansamantalang nawala. Sabi ko na po.
Laging si Sir Wilbert.
Kaya nga. Taga saan ka, Nana?
Taga Cebu po.
Oo, nasa Cebu ka.
Yes po. Kakauwi lang po namin galing Manila.
Okay. Anong sinasabi niya? Wala, talo ka na, Mi. Hindi ka namin marinig, lag ka.
Lag nga siya.
Yes.
Kasi wala totoo dyan. Pang dito sa kabila.
ko, guys.
Oo, mahina siya.
Ang lakas daw. Ang lakas ng lag.
Saan ba kayo?
Ito si Chris.
Or depende.
Ano po yun?
Gusto doon para mas
Mahiya.
comfortable or
Okay lang, mas komportable dito, Mi.
dyan?
Yes.
Hindi na pa rin ba?
Dito.
Miss Katrina,
Go.
pahay daw siya kay Chris.
Ay, Chris, may mag-hi daw sa'yo po. May mag-hi daw sa'yo. Si attorney.
Ay!
Ayan si attorney. Attorney!
Yo!
Small world.
What's up, man?
What's up?
Nabanggit kasi kanina ni Chris eh. Attorney daw, kaya naalala ko.
Ano yan?
Nashock ako eh. Nashock ako sa management. Sabi niya, Nana, sister, can you pick it with Team Katrina then versus Wilbert? Oh? And then I said, nashock ako. Kaya sinabi ko sa
Ako nga umaatras. Sabi ko, Mi, ayoko.
Pinasok ko kasi si Katrina sa TikTok Philippines. Tapos, sabi ko, ngayon, si Kat, first time ko rin. Kayo ni Kuya Chris naman,
streamer talaga kami.
yun yung madalas to nagpipiki.
Oo, kami yung nagsa-streamer. Nagpi-PK.
Anong ginagawa nyo pag nagpipikay kayo? Kumakanta kayo?
Wala, nag-uusap lang. Nagpapatawa sa mga Yun yung content namin, nagpapatawa, usap-usap lang, tapos PK, ganun.
Hindi ako ano ha?
Makaka-cover.
Ano yan, Chris?
It's the speaker stand.
Si Mima na lang magpapatawa sa atin. Sa akin
Oh my
pala.
God, thank you everyone.
Kinakabahan ako nga ni.
Ako sa gani, kinakabahan.
Naku, tigilan mo kami. Nana, huwag mo kami ini-eme.
Miss Katrina, kinakabahan ako kasi
Ano?
artista
Professional.
gani.
Professional PKer daw.
Professional.
Signal ko ngayon, hindi na naglalag.
Naglalag ka, Sir Wilbert.
Naglalag pa rin.
Pag naman tumalimbo.
Oh.
Naglalag. O
4
pagka-trans.
minutes na, guys.
So, KKK fam, alam nyo na. Huwag na tayong lumaban.
Hala, hala pa.
Naglalag pa ako.
Nga, nakapanood lang.
Nag-ano siya, react.
Okay, may nanonood daw sa'yo dito, Nana.
Hi po.
Ay, hello po. Magandang gabi po.
Ipat ako.
Uy, yung
Ayan.
dibdib ko, ang lakas ng ano.
Naku, tigilan mo kami sa tinasanay ka mag-PK. Kami nga first time.
Hindi kasi Miss Katrina, artista kasi, kaya kinakabahan ako. Tapos, first time ko PK artista.
Ako nga first time makipag-PK. So, alam niyo na guys, ha?
Ang daming tao. Thank you for...
Ito dito.
Oh my God.
Wala na, nandiyan na yung mga supporters ni Nana.
Thank you for the Kaitan family, Talong team. Ano ba ba?
Nana,
Si Chris?
ito kami ni Katrina.
Wait
Yeah.
lang. Search ko muna. Oh my God, kinakabahan ako.
Ang interview.
Hi, Kuya Chris!
Kuya Chris!
Hello, Katrina. Hello, Wilbert. Hello, Nana. How are you
Miss
guys?
Katrina, Kuya Chris, sobrang lakas.
Ano daw? Sobrang
Nana,
lakas.
Nana,
Kuya,
you need to do the switch.
si
Kuya
Kuya,
Chris is so strong. I know you're in
Wait,
DP level
I am so
49.
scared. I'm pissing my pants here for the last 1 hour.
wow!
I know. You guys are
Nana, I heard you are strong.
you guys
Ah, pero
are
mas malakas
recruiting
yung ano
fans
niya,
from
MVP
other
niya.
streamers.
Naka 49 yung ano niya, MVP niya, naka level 49.
Nana, you need to switch, huh? We told you. You're gonna be the leader here. You need to do the switch.
Okay,
Bitch.
later.
What's
Now
gonna
na.
happen? Ba't may switching?
No switch eh. Ako daw mag-a-add ng ano, PK. Now? Start now?
Well, no, Wilbert needs to be here. Wilbert needs to be here, and Katrina needs to go there.
Go.
Where?
Go where?
Wilbert
Yes.
needs to be. We need to be here on this side. Girls need to be on this side. We need to be on this side. At the moment, I'm in the same team with Katrina. Yo,
Why switching?
What?
No switching.
Oi, if you put the match on at the moment, then Katrina and me will be collecting points together.
Malakas ang signal.
Try to do the battle. Oh my God, live. We are not live pros. We are amateurs here.
Oh
So
my
sorry,
God.
girl. No,
like that. I know you're very strong.
I am
No
an
switching.
amateur. But look, Nana. Yeah, guys, patience.
Yes,
patience,
Nana.
patience. Nana, try to put the match on.
Happening.
Right, let's see. Patience, darling, patience.
Wait,
Okay. Go.
Wilbert is losing.
Like
You
that?
see?
I'm losing
good,
because-
good. Sorry, my bad.
No, I withdrew.
It was good. I was with Wilbert. Amazing.
Yeah.
Don't listen to me.
Aircon nga pakibukas na, tapos pakislide ng door.
Nana, it's not.
Kinakabahan ako, ma.
Nana.
Okay, Mima, are you ready?
You ready, everyone?
I'm
Guys,
ready.
yung lahat ng ipipiki, okay. Everyone will, all gifters, okay. I hope, since we are a beginner with Katrina, I hope our gifter can also follow Kuya Chris, follow Miss Nana, and
Ay, may pampalit.
face ko.
Hindi ako, nililiitan ko.
And Wilbert, I want to say from my side as well that win or lose, I know the girls have been recruiting some outside support.
No.
Win or lose, I'm honored to be, in this game here. It's a pleasure to meet you, Katrina, Nana, and Wilbert. Can't wait to have maybe a drink with you down the line in a couple of weeks' time or whatever when you have time. So, absolute pleasure. Thank you for the company. And in the end, this one's for the fans, right?
Yes.
So,
Okay. So what are we going to do? Are we going to dance?
I
you
feel
can dance,
pressure
Wilbert.
right now.
I am gonna
Eme.
scream and shout.
Okay.
No, nothing. We're just talking to our fans here. Like, let's go, Picky. Go, more like that.
Well, let's have one, and then we can see. Maybe we will have everybody will be shocked after this next 5 minutes.
Go na ba?
Let's
Go,
do one.
me.
Start na? Okay, start.
Let's
Go
do
na,
one.
me.
Let's do one, guys.
This is my first time, ha?
Oh my
Okay.
God!
Me too, my first time then.
Teka,
You
wait,
need,
ha?
you need to accept, guys.
Okay.
Let's go, everyone! Top. Let's go, top.
Let's
go,
tap it, guys.
KKK,
First
please.
triple.
Girls.
First triple, drop 1 gloves.
Use the
First
3S,
triple.
guys.
Wala pa. Hala.
Nakakaloka
Ay, Miss
ka.
Kylie!
Wilbert,
Grabe
ask your
naman
people to
agad.
tap.
Grabe naman yung
Ay,
nana.
tap daw, tulungan niyo daw ako.
Una!
Tambak ako. Ano?
Patience, Wilbert.
Ako, help niyo ako.
First
May,
Una
use
yakap
the
sa
3X,
mina.
May.
Oh, grabe.
Ang lakas ni ano.
May, we need to
Ang
3X,
lakas ni
darling.
Nana.
Mi, ilabas mo na yung ano mo sa lapi mo, Mi.
Let's go!
Ba't ako naglalabas sa salating?
Oh my God! Hoy, nag-gloves ka-drop, boy!
Thank you, baby.
Oh my God, ang lakas ni Nana.
Crazy Lizelle. Ala, Ali. Wow,
Okay,
nandito.
okay.
Ang lakas nila.
Patience now, guys. Patience.
Huwag ka na makisalig, Mr. B. I know you know me.
Let's go,
Eh?
Wilbert. Nice gift, Wilbert.
No need gift.
TikTok
Oh
Universe.
my God, good game.
Oh my God, it's a nice game.
Wilbert, somebody
Ano ba
said
yun?
Guys, muna yan. Miss Kylie, thank you so much. Kylie Kaitan, thank you for the support. Thank you so much, guys. Thank
Ang
you.
lakas ni Nana. Nakakaloka.
Uy, malakas si Kuya Chris.
Grabe
Wilbert,
naman si
malakas yan.
Mima. Parang
Okay,
ano
we got the
naman,
glove
Mi.
now. We got the glove.
Mi,
Thank you,
ilabas mo na
everybody.
yung
who
Di,
supported.
sayang
What
ang
am I gonna
gloves.
do with the glove?
Wala, hindi ko kaya. Mi, ano gagawin ko? Hindi ko Ayan, o. Hammer na tayo.
Guys, ilabas mo na yan,
Oh my
Mi.
God,
Hindi
it's
nga
so
ako
tight.
marunong kung paano nga. Ano ba yun?
Teka na, hammer na kami, no. No,
Ay.
please.
Thank you, Anika.
Ganun lang
Tap,
gawin.
tap,
Nagkakapera na
tap,
sila.
tap, tap.
Nakakaloka.
Miss Kylie, thank you so much. Tap,
Please,
guys,
please help me.
Thank
Please
you,
help
May,
me.
May. Thank you, May.
Kuya, please help
Tap,
me.
guys, tap. Miss Kylie, thank you so much. Miss
Dami naman
Kylie,
nandun sa
Atigang,
akin.
Wait,
thank
this is
you.
only the first 2 minutes.
Thank you so much.
Miss Kylie, thank you so much, Miss
I'm having
Kylie.
a heart attack.
Miss Kylie.
Oh,
Grabe,
wow.
grabe.
Thank you.
Mi, Mi.
Uy, mas
Oh my
Mi, ilabas mo na, Mi.
Oh my God.
Ano ilalabas ko, Mi?
Thank you so much.
Ang lakas
Where's my
nila.
Estonians? Thank you, Ora,
Kaya
for the
nga.
galaxy. We're
Ikaw
so
kasi.
close, guys.
Mi, di ba pinagsabihan na
Double.
kita, itigil mo na. Carol.
Kisa ni, sige. Atigang, thank
No,
you.
yung mga gifters nila,
Isa ni
magiging
Uban. Uy,
friends
di
din
mabasa.
natin.
Fritz, thank
Magiging
you.
friends
so
natin.
much.
Oh my God.
Wilbert,
Miss Kylie, thank
somebody
you so
sent you a
much.
really
Thank you,
big
thank you.
gift. Gilbert,
Yes, ang lakas.
Miss Kylie, thank you. Rowelyn.
thank you guys, thank you
Pretty
guys.
ha, thank you so
Naloloka
much.
ako. Hindi ko alam paano ko mag-thank you sa mga ano,
Oh,
nagbigay
tight
sa
na.
atin.
Watch me, Nene.
Princess Ice ko,
Wilbert, like your super
thank you
gifter
so
sent gift
much.
now.
Arceo, Jomar,
Hi,
Ukan.
Maricel,
Bella,
thank you,
Retrobite.
and the Warrior.
Thank you so much,
Oh
everyone.
my God, good
Ayan.
game. Good.
Listen, hi, thank you so much.
ibibigay.
Hi, Ali, Margaret. Anong ginagawa mo, Mr. B?
Final 10 seconds for 2x.
God.
Wow, thanks lang. Viva!
May nagbagsak sa akin. Na ano,
Vivas!
Grabe!
Thank you, Maylin.
anong 50? Anong 50?
Oh my
Hindi ko
God!
ma-get, Kuya
Sobrang
Chris.
nangyayari,
So,
guys.
times 5, wait lang.
There's
Ilang
2 more
games?
matches. 2
3
more
battles
matches.
to.
Guys, calm down, guys. We have 2
We give up. We give up.
Best of three.
Maylin,
This
thank
is
you
best
so
of
much. You're so crazy.
Sino nag-send ng 50?
Go, attorney, pahingi naman.
Saan ko makikita yung nag-send sa akin? Grabe, tambak tayo, ma.
Eme lang. Eme lang. Nana.
Prince Tessa.
Linley, thank you.
Guys.
Thank you,
my
thank you,
God.
guys.
Okay,
Thank
Prince
you.
Tessa, drop.
Sorry
drop with
guys,
this
hindi ko alam
platform.
kung paano ko
Wilbert.
mag-shoutout sa inyo.
Oh, Miss Kylie, thank you so much.
Thank you so
God,
much
oh my
for sending
God.
256 and
Alright,
Princess Lisa
Mirna
online shop.
Reza, thank you
Wolfie
so
family,
much.
Beijing,
Thank you,
Miss
Nani,
Chichi,
thank you,
Bebe.
thank you, Kalisa, thank you, Orab,
Ang lakas
thank
na ni
you.
Kuya Chris. I told you, si
Thank
Kuya
you,
Chris so
Anita,
strong.
Kuya Chris, ang lakas.
You have
Hoy,
500,000
Kainom,
points.
thank you. May hammer na naman ako, my goodness.
OMG, ako nga 20 lang. Oh my
no,
God.
my
God,
God,
Iwan ako
Nana,
18,
banana.
ano, si Nana, tapos ako si 3, C5 tayo,
Thank
Mi.
you, Karin.
Mi, ako nga 20 lang.
Guys, one gloves last. One gloves. One gloves.
Oh,
gloves,
thank
guys.
you,
Drop one
Chris.
gloves. Okay.
Can I impersonate Kuya Chris? Send me money, send me money, send me money.
Jawa, it's not
Send me, send me, send me, send me.
Grabe, thank you so much,
Grabe, ang
everybody.
lakas niya.
Thank you, KKK, sa support.
Ang lakas nila.
Wala, nag-gloves pa sila.
Okay,
Chad.
okay.
Yes, yes.
Ay, shucks.
I don't know.
Bakit gumaganon lang kayo? Dumarating sa inyo.
Diba, ba't sila palakpak lang?
Magkakagalan tayo
Try
ng
din
ganun
natin
lang.
pamalakpak.
My goodness.
Yay!
Okay, girls.
Oh
Wow.
my
Team
God.
BP, P-Boss, Wunaya, Miss Kylie, thank you so much po.
I'm gonna
Hi,
screenshot.
Kylie.
Ayan, thank you,
Wala
Mook.
na,
Thank you,
wala
na.
Princess
Family,
Lisa. Thank you,
thank
Nari.
you.
Thank you, Orab.
Kaitan
Thank you,
family,
Kalisa.
thank you so much.
Card. Thank you,
Thank you so
Anika.
much.
Thank you.
MVP, Team
Boy,
MVP,
Julie.
Team Saban,
Idol,
Team
thank you,
Talong.
Maska.
Guys, thank you so much, guys. Thank you,
Ah,
thank you so much.
Katrina is like-
Thank you so
yeah.
much.
Kaitan family,
My
thank you so
goodness.
much.
My
Wala
goodness.
na
Talong
ako
family,
pupunta.
thank you so much.
Meeting naman naman
guys.
ako, Mi.
Wunaya, thank you so much, Wunaya.
Yes,
감사합니다,
crazy.
진짜.
Ilabas mo na kasi si
감사합니다.
Wilbert.
Miss Kylie, thank you so much, Miss Kylie. Thank you so much.
Ilabas mo, tingnan mo kung hindi sila maloka.
Wilbert.
Tingnan mo.
Wala, wag na, Mi.
Sir Chris, sabi
Yes.
ni attorney,
Wilbert,
tulong ka daw,
who is
Sir Chris.
Prince Itessa? Do you know who is Prince? Prince Itessa is your friend?
Itesa is a good friend of my artist, Madam Inuts, a live seller.
Ang laugh ko. Di ba,
Well,
guys?
you received a very big gift from him, Miss Prince Itessa. If you have any more bad intentions, send it when the 3x is available. Then we have 3 times as many points. So you can guys see down here it's 3x. She sent you a 40,000 gift, but it only comes.
Yes, because she always
That's
supports
like
me.
40,000 pesos now.
Sabi niya,
It's
sabi
how
niya
much?
daw,
It's how much? It's how much?
For her, it's 40,000 pesos or 30,000 pesos minimum.
Grabe.
But there's a bigger Mook.
That's my MVP. That's my queen.
Your queen. Nako, Mook, thank you. She's from Malaysia?
Yeah, that's Miss Maylin. She is
pwede pa
phenomenal.
nila alam yun.
Wow, you know her.
Sila
Oh,
dalawa
I know
I
her.
love
very
you,
well.
Hindi
Mook.
talaga namin alam, Nana.
I'm gonna steal all Nana's MVPs myself. I'm gonna.
I'm just gonna,
P-Boss. Oh
I'm
my
just
God.
gonna cheer for you
Okay, I
guys.
just want to
P-Boss,
shout
let's go
out
for a
P-Boss.
drink. I love you.
P-Boss of Mission Contributor, Won, Kylie, Shim 8, January 57, Kokay, Limwell, MJ, Lin, Mrs. Frost. Ayan. Congratulations.
Everybody is a winner here. Amazing
thank you,
score.
thank you.
570.
Ang baba
Hey.
natin dalawa, Mi.
Wilbur,
Okay lang yan, Mi.
Okay,
Yes.
1-0, 1-0, 1-0.
we are not, we are competitive, Wilbert, so it's pretty
No.
awesome. Yeah, it's like they were scared. They were scared.
Chris!
Yeah.
Kuya Chris,
Okay.
Yes.
I will follow
I
you, Kuya
trust you.
Chris.
I know you're very strong. You're MVP level 49. I trust you.
I
Okay.
think,
I will follow you. I will
think
follow you,
like,
Kuya.
Team
Good
Good
luck,
luck!
guys.
I don't know. Let's see what
Team Good
happens.
luck.
Thank you to
Let's go,
Estonian.
let's
Thank
go.
you, my
so much, Team
Estonians.
Good luck.
Okay, I'm here to cheer
Yeah,
you
thank
up,
you.
guys.
Miss Kylie, thank you so
1,000
much,
pinabas
guys.
ko na
Thank
si
you, thank you so
KL.
much,
2
guys.
times
Thank you.
points at the
Yes.
moment. You
Ate
see
Gang,
this?
thank you so much.
Ay, Nika.
Thank you so much, guys.
Nakakalokan lakas nila.
Okay,
Riga, go, Nina.
I'm here to watch you guys.
Ngayon?
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Congratulations.
Nari!
My goodness.
All the gifts.
Mark my word, thank you so
We wait for
much.
3x. We wait for
Nari,
3x,
thank
guys.
you so much.
Thank
Ora,
you.
so times
Ibo!
2 points effect.
Lori
Anita,
and Ali, thank you so much.
Thank you,
Oy,
Limuel,
Thank
Ashley.
you, Zang. Thank
Team
you, Mark
Talong,
my
let's
word.
go.
Hirap,
Team
thank
Good
you.
luck. Miss Kylie, thank you
Eugenia,
so much.
drop
Miss
a
Daniel,
Kylie.
big
thank you.
Labas natin si
Gino,
Mr. B.
thank you.
Mr. B.
Pasok mo na si
Sige,
Mr.
palabasin
B.
si Mr. B,
Tignan ko,
Miss Katrina.
babagsakan ka na, mama.
The glove is on for
Tapos na ako sa'yo
Wilbur.
ngayon. Hello,
Kuya-
Miss
Sir
Katrina.
Chris.
King will
Hello,
be nice with the
Winnie.
glove. It's Aura.
Miss Katrina, palabasin si Mr. B.
Shout out, ayan. Shout out
That's
muna,
all.
Arabella. Greetings.
We wait for
Thank you
TX.
so
We wait for
much.
TX. Maylin, wait,
So,
wait, wait, wait.
salamat, Mr.
At
B.
first time
help
ako
me.
nandito sa PK, nakipagulong.
Lisa, thank you so much. Let's wait.
Bababa natin.
Let's go, guys.
Sa-
Double,
sa
double,
lanta
double.
ng
Let's wait.
bagyo.
Let's wait. Let's
Ayan.
wait.
Please.
Team MVP, Team
Oh my
Tigbas,
God.
Good Luck, Team Talong, Team
Wait,
Wolfie,
wait,
thank
wait.
you so much.
Nagbigay kay ano, si Prince Lisa nagbigay kay ano,
wait,
kay
let's
Kuya
wait.
Brian. Kay Kuya ano.
Ayaw. Ay,
Ha?
No, you are so strong.
okay.
What the hell? We need to get these 200 diamonds. Good job, good
Oh
job.
my God.
I trust my all viewers here. And
Dami
MVP
nilang
stickers.
gifter.
Ang lakas nila.
Where's 3X?
Mia, ako naman na ano,
Okay, we can
tumawag
use this
sa'yo.
2X maybe.
Mr. B naman. Ay, Mr.
Thank you so much.
Oh,
Miss
Angie!
Kylie, thank you so much, Miss Kylie. Good luck, MJ. Kate
Let's
Ann.
use these
Yes,
2X
Team
now.
Marina.
Team Talong, Team Tigbas, and Team MVP.
Oh
Thank
my
you so
God,
much.
ang lalakas nila.
Kaya nga, wala. Mr. B, help me.
Oh, P-Boss. You might want to
Is he
support
sending
us,
gifts in the back
Kylie.
there, Katrina?
And January
Hello,
57.
sir. How are you?
Kuya Chris, this
Pretty
is Chris.
Star.
You have a nice name. Nice
Hello,
spelling.
Chris.
Hello,
I'm
shout
also
out,
Chris.
MJ.
Pleasure
Yes.
knowing
I
you.
love the spelling too.
Hey, thank you, Hayes. Thank you, Jean.
Sir
Thank
Chris,
you.
kumanta ka na lang daw. Bigyan ka daw ng regalo dyan.
We need help, guys. Maylin cannot do it all by
Mr.
herself.
B, I need help.
Ano yan?
Oh no. I'm from the
Good
bottom.
name. Thank you, Sai.
It's okay. Cards,
Thank you so much, FIFA. Thank you.
Pababa. Ano pa ba?
Give me. Gagayahin
Okay,
ko nga si
Wilbert.
Kuya.
Summon your power, Wilbert.
Una yan.
For another gift. Thank you. From Malaysia, thank you so much. Nari, thank you also. Carissa, thank you. Cards, thank you. Prince Etiza Online Shop, thank you so much.
Kasi ang gulo
Orab,
kay
thank you.
January.
Anita, thank you so
Thank you,
much.
KJ.
Maylin, you're amazing. Naughty, you're
Thank you so much.
amazing.
Chambit, Chambit, Magic
Boy,
Snow,
Gagalino,
thank you so much. December.
I'm gonna
Thank
summon
you.
Jerick. Somebody saying go and talk to Jerick. He owes me a
Hello,
lion. goddammit.
Pibos. Hello, Juan. Hello,
Hi,
January
Maria.
57.
Hi,
Hello,
Maria.
Kylie.
Next
Hello,
station.
Pretty Scar.
Hi, December.
Hi,
Pretty
MJ. Hi,
Star, where are
Limuel.
you?
Nika Aquino Arroyo. Okay.
Hello, my Estonians. Ciao,
Hi,
Esther.
Little.
Okay.
I'm an upbeat puss
Give
kasi
me a
hindi ka main-
virtual gift. I'll show you my full back tattoo.
Opa!
Wait, tingnan mo, nag-uupad ko sa nag-show ng full back tattoo daw siya.
Wow.
Ay!
Pibos,
Okay, ang
gabi-
ganda siya, Mr. B.
Jowa pala.
I see you got the better
Pibos.
tattoo.
Guys!
Ay, may mga jowa.